I don't know if you remember my last video when I repaired the Renault Traffic van key. I had to replace the case, change the battery and change a couple of reed switches inside. Well, now it's come turn to do a Renault Megane car key. As you can see here, the top button has totally gone. It's broke out and disappeared. Now, like with the van key, if you go to the dealers, you're going to be paying some 150 plus quid for the key. You're going to have to get it coded, which will probably be on top. You're going to have to get the blank key recut, which will get a blank key with it. And you have to get that cut as well. In total, best part of £200 per key. Or, again, you go to eBay. Now, I'll leave an address at the bottom for them, but there is many different ones, all offering different things, so have a look and choose yourself which you feel is the best. But this I got for under a £5, and it is a complete case. And, should you need it, a blank key that fits in. Very simple. Now all we have to do is open up the old one and swap over the electronics from the inside there to the inside of the new one, and check the battery. Again, if you need just a quid 80 or something, I think it is, online, get another battery, just put one in. While you're at it, you might as well. Watching, I'll just quickly do mine. It's very simple. Okay, now you notice there it's a little bit difficult to pull it apart. The reason for that is because when you're putting them together, it's always wise because they're quite floppy. They're just little tiny clips, if there is even any clips. Yeah, just little ones. They don't hold together. Use a little dab of super glue around the joints, which will just make sure that it's not going to be coming apart again in the future. Right, just positioning what we want. Okay, simply place the new one into its spot. Make sure everything is as it should be. Make sure while you're at it that these terminals for the battery are clean. Mine are nice and shiny there, but if you've got any discoloration in there, a little bit of wire wool or a little bit of emery paper, just give them a clean up first. While you can get at them, it's easy. Now the next piece is going to go on top like that, but I want to get just in the dots where it's going to connect. You see you've got a dot there, dot there, dot there, dot there, dot there. On each of the dots, just touch a little bit of any kind of super glue. I've got this one which I use, but any type will do. Bit of super glue just to make sure that it's going to stay shut when you are using it. A little bit on the seam just around the edge. Just want to make sure that it's not going to come apart, that's all. And then put the two together. Okay, I'm going to put a couple of clips on that. Well, leave that for a little bit. Let the glue cure. Okay, and then when it's all cured, get your new battery. And that's it, done. Yeah, take it to the car, check it, make sure it works. Okay, there we are. Mine works fine. Let's hope yours works as good. Right, well, thanks for watching again, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.